Talofa, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Singing with the Fruins. As you can see, we have a special guest. His name is Mikey Ala'alatoa, and he plays for the Crusaders. He has come to play the guitar for us as my guitar playing abilities has reached its maximum. So, hope you enjoy. This song is called Magic Penny.
Ole alofa osemete toe for imai lava yate oi. Epe o se pene maneta umawi aile ai se mea mawai. Tufa avatu mafoa iatu toe for imai lava yate oi. Love is something that you give it away. You give it away, give it away. Love is something that you give it away, and it comes right back to you. It is like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away, and it comes right back to you. Epe o se pende maneta umawi aile ai se mea mawai. Tufa avatu mafoa iatu toe fo imai lava yate oi.
Thank you, everybody. As you can see, there was action, so learn them and sing along. Manuia.